calm the fucking deal. Did you forget the safety word? Did it simply sound like something altogether different? Did you sneak into your room at night? Or was your hook from a sequence act of evil come through assassin? Tie your shoelace round your cock and neck. That sounds pretty stupid, what the fuck did you expect? All the whores in Bangkok, would you not find one of them to rub and tug your wrinkled junk without causing your neck? Did you forget the safety word? Did you forget the safety word? Did it simply sound like something altogether different? Did you sneak into your room at night? Was your hook from a sequence act of evil come through assassin? Forget the safety word.